welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today is going to be kind of a short episode, but I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite marinades for steak. And this is going to come into play later on this week where we're going to be making my ultimate Philly steak and cheese. So without further ado, here it is, my ultimate steak marinade. Let's do this. Alright, and that's it. That's a simple steak marinade that is amazing, jam-packed with flavor, and you'll be wondering how you lived your life without it. Trust me. Alright, don't be afraid to stop by later this week where we're going to be using that marinade and making Philly cheesesteaks. I am super excited. I love Philly cheesesteaks. Oh my god. Alright, so I'll see you then.